Oops, sorry. That was great. Boom, was it?
Oh, what do you mean?
Ewa, Matariki is a really cool time for setting intentions, and we call that Matariki Manako Nui.
So we would love to know if you have any goals for the Māori New Year.
I do. One of my biggest goals for the new year would be actually working alongside my sisters a little more, spending some more time with them. Although only one of them is actually related to me. They are all my big sisters.
Aww. And what will you do when you say working alongside them? What do you want to do?
So I started my Reo Māori journey last year with Te Wananga Aotearoa, and my sisters are a couple of the very few people in my life who kōrero Māori, and so we will often have fish and chip Fridays at my house with my mum and my sisters, and we'll make it rumaki reo, which has been a really big thing for me, becoming confident in other spaces and speaking Te Reo Māori.
And how, if you have before, how do you celebrate Matariki?
During Matariki last year, I got to celebrate Hautapu for the first time. Just the whole wairua of it was really amazing. Getting up to karakia, getting up and having the ahi there was really cool. That is something that I would really like to do again. This year for Matariki, my hope is to spend more time with my sisters. So, ko Whai Tienei, ko Stasia, ko Hau, and ko Caitlin. Manoa tia Matariki.